Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to add color swatches on Shopify. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notification. Now here, as you can see guys, when I open my store and head to any product that has many colors, I have here this product with two colors. As you can see, I have the black one and the clear one, but I want to replace these two icons right here with color swatches: a white circle for the white hoodie and a black circle to the black hoodie. And in order to do that, we are going to copy some of these codes and paste them where I will show you right now. First thing you should do is to open your dashboard, then go to online store and head to themes. Then I want you to click on these three dots right here, then click on duplicate, just in order to copy your store or theme in case we did something wrong. Now click on these three dots again, then click on edit code. Now what I want you to do right now is to simply head down to the description and copy these lines. As you can see, now first thing you're going to copy, you have to go to the themes, then click on edit code, then choose config, then head to settings, schema, JSON. So I'm going to search for config. As you can see right now, I have this option right here, config. Click on this arrow beside it, then choose settings, schema, JSON. Now after choosing this one right here, I want you to copy this code right here. I will leave all of the codes down in the description. So I'm gonna copy this one right here, then go exactly to the 9th line, as you can see, and press enter. Then I'm gonna control the code exactly right here, then click on save. And now what you want to do is to head back to the description and go to snippets and search for product variant picker liquid. So I'm gonna copy this name, then go to the search bar and paste this name right here. Now choose this one, then here, as you can see, it will show you another code. Then now after going to product variant picker liquid, you have to find this code right here and replace it with the code below right here. So as you can see right now, I found the code with the exact lines, and what you have to do right now is to simply copy the code that I gave you right here and replace it with this one. You will find out that this code starts at line 51. You'll find it around this number. Then after that, click on save up right here. Now the last thing that you should do right now is to simply go to snippets and create a new snippet and name it color option. So what I'm going to do right now is to simply copy this name, color option. Then I'm going to go to snippets right here. As you can see, click on this arrow, then click on add a new snippet and name it with this name, then click on done. And now here, as you can see, it will open up a new snippet with the name that we have chosen. And all you have to do right now is to simply copy all this code that I will leave down in the description and paste it exactly right here. And after adding this code, click on save, then click on preview store. And now as you can see, when I go open my store, now here you have the two colors, which is the white color and the black color, as you can see. Now let's say that I wanted to add another color. Now you have to go back to your themes, then click on customize. Then after that, you should go to the product that you want to change the color, then go to settings, then choose color swatches by Mr. Digitals. Then here, as you can see, you have all the colors that you want, and all you have to do right now is very simple. You have to add the name of the color that you want, but first I want just to add a new image of the new color that I'm going to put. So I'm gonna open a new tab, then go to products, then I'm going to choose the product that I want to add a color to, then go to variants and click on color. Then I'm going to add a color, let's say that it is blue, for example. Now after adding the color, click on done, then upload the image of the blue one. So I'm going to click on add images, then choose the image of the blue hoodie that I want to put. After that selected, then click on done. Let's give it a number for the availability. I'm going to make it 5, for example, then click on save right here. Then now go back to the settings and type the color that you want. So I'm going to type here, for example, light blue, for example, then colon. Then what you're going to do is to simply go back to your store, then choose the blue one, right click on the picture, then click on inspect. Then right here, for example, in this particular area, color, let's say red, for example. Then choose the color and click on this icon right here. And here, as you can see, you will have this eyedropper tool. Click on it, then choose the color and I want you to copy the code of the color right here. Copy it, then close this tab and go back to your settings, then copy the code just exactly right here. After that, click on save. Then after that, go back to your website, then preview it, and here, as you can see, you have the third color. I don't know why these two colors has disappeared, but I think this is a glitch. But here, as you can see, I have added also the new color. And that's all. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.